Pork often finds itself at the center of culinary traditions across the world, from savory barbecues to comforting stews. Yet despite its popularity, pork is sometimes misunderstood when it comes to its role in a healthy diet. Today, we're uncovering the science-backed health benefits of pork that you might not know about. Whether you're a food lover, a fitness enthusiast, or simply looking to make healthier choices, stay tuned as we reveal 7 impressive health benefits of pork you should know. Let's begin with number 1. Pork is a rich source of high-quality protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth, and maintaining a healthy immune system. Unlike some other protein sources, pork provides all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. This makes pork an excellent choice for those looking to meet their protein needs, especially athletes, growing children, and adults seeking to preserve lean muscle mass as they age. Number 2. Pork is packed with essential vitamins, especially B vitamins. Pork is particularly high in thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, which plays a critical role in converting food into energy and supporting proper nervous system function. In fact, pork contains more thiamine than most other types of meat, including beef and chicken. Alongside thiamine, pork also provides significant amounts of vitamin B6, which helps with brain development and function, and vitamin B12, important for red blood cell formation and neurological health. Eating pork can help you meet your daily requirements for these vital nutrients. Moving on to number 3. Pork supports immune health due to its mineral content. Pork is an excellent source of minerals, such as zinc and selenium. Zinc is crucial for a healthy immune response, wound healing, and DNA synthesis, while selenium works as a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your body's cells from damage. These minerals are often found in higher concentrations in pork compared to some other meats, making pork a valuable addition to a diet focused on immunity and overall wellness. Benefit number 4. Pork can help combat fatigue and boost energy. The combination of B vitamins, iron, and high-quality protein in pork works synergistically to fight tiredness and keep you energized throughout the day. Iron from pork, especially from lean cuts and organ meats, is highly bioavailable, meaning it's easily absorbed by the body. This helps prevent iron deficiency anemia, a common cause of fatigue, especially among women and children. Including pork in your meals could help you maintain steady energy and focus. Number 5. Pork is versatile and can fit into balanced diets, including weight management plans. When enjoyed in moderation and prepared healthfully, lean cuts of pork such as tenderloin, loin chops, and sirloin roast are low in fat and calories, but high in satiety. Eating foods that are rich in protein, like pork, helps control appetite by promoting feelings of fullness, which can make it easier to manage your weight. By choosing lean cuts and mindful cooking methods, like grilling, baking, or broiling, you can enjoy pork as part of a heart-healthy, calorie-conscious meal plan. Now to number 6. Pork contains heart-healthy nutrients when chosen wisely. While it's true that some pork products, such as bacon and sausages, can be high in saturated fat and sodium, lean pork cuts contain healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. Recent research suggests that lean pork can be as effective as other lean meats in supporting healthy cholesterol levels when part of a balanced diet. The key is to select lean cuts, trim visible fat, and avoid excessive consumption of processed pork products. Finally, number 7. Pork supports bone health. Pork is a natural source of phosphorus, a mineral that works in tandem with calcium to build and maintain strong bones and teeth. It also provides magnesium and small amounts of vitamin D, which further contribute to bone strength and density. For people at risk of osteoporosis or those looking to support skeletal health as they age, incorporating pork into a varied diet can help supply these bone-supporting nutrients. Now that we've covered the 7 impressive health benefits of pork, let's touch on some practical tips for including pork in your diet the healthy way. First, focus on lean cuts, such as pork tenderloin, loin chops, and sirloin roast, which are lower in fat and calories. Trim any visible fat before cooking, and opt for healthy cooking methods like grilling, roasting, or broiling instead of frying. Pair pork with plenty of vegetables and whole grains for a balanced, nutrient-dense meal. It's also important to practice food safety when handling pork. Always cook pork to the recommended internal temperature, at least 145 degrees E, 63 degrees Celsius for whole cuts, followed by a 3-minute rest time to ensure it's safe to eat. Store raw pork in the refrigerator and use it within a few days, or freeze it for longer storage. For those concerned about the environment or animal welfare, consider seeking out pork from local farmers or producers who prioritize sustainable and humane practices. Many grocery stores now offer organic or pasture-raised pork options, which may align better with your values and dietary preferences. In summary, pork can be a delicious and nutritious part of a balanced diet when enjoyed in moderation and prepared thoughtfully. From supporting muscle growth and energy levels to boosting your immune system and contributing to bone health, pork offers a variety of benefits that might surprise you. By making informed choices and focusing on wholesome preparation, you can savor the taste of pork while nourishing your body. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with friends and family who might appreciate learning about the health benefits of pork. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is all about balance, variety, and making choices that work for your unique needs and preferences. Thank you for joining us as we explored the 7 impressive health benefits of pork you should know. Stay curious, keep learning, and continue making choices that support your health and happiness every day.